Lilivet Peña, born in Camaguey, Cuba in 1984. At the age of 4, she was influenced by her mother and involved into painting, ballet, and music. When she was 14, she had the opportunity to enroll into an art institution named Bizantina de la Torre. Later on, she enrolled into another workshop named Carlos Enriquez. There, she was deeply convinced it was the beginning of her art career. For obvious reasons, Lily could not give us the interview in the regular format via Zoom. However, we're proud to see how professional and how fast she attended our coordinates. I hope you enjoyed the interview.
I am an artist with 13 years of artistic career. I live and work in the visual art, especially painting, in the city of Camaguey, Cuba. Certainly, my country has a very extensive educational system. Each province has its own Academy of Art, where anyone with an artistic bent can study at no cost. In my case, I had other interests. For that reason, I didn't have a professional training as an artist. However, at the time, I was accepted at the Art Academy in my city, and I have held numerous exhibitions in important national spaces. I think that my country should offer non-professional artists the same benefit and rights as professional. That is one aspect to work on. I definitely find the theme in my paintings. I usually choose a theme and develop a series around it, always using children's images or a harlequin as a motif. That still distinguishes each of my paintings. I am inspired by innocence, childhood, criticisms of such sensitive issues as the environment, climate change, identity, spirituality, and our good human values. Cuba has a whole system of galleries, culture houses, and institutions where you can expose and carry out an artistic career at no cost. So far, I have never had difficulties in that regard. However, we must consider that a career has other aspects to take into account, as is the case of the art market and really important events such as the Havana Bienal, which are in a different perspective for artists without professional academic training. I really admire many artists, although my greatest reference has passed away, such is the case of Remedios Varo, Leonora Carrington, and Marc Chagall. However, I would love to meet Mark Ryden. He has a wonderful work. I find it fascinating. I am deeply proud that women are given the opportunity to occupy the true place and have the recognition they deserve within universal art. I am proud, honored, and truly happy to have been chosen to be part of this experience with so many talented artists from all over the world. It has been wonderful and incredible. Thank you so much.